everyone, welcome back to my channel Grow Your Wings. I'm Neha Singh and flying since 13 years. So guys, first of all, I want to thank all of you for showering me so much of love on my previous video. So thank you very much. Please keep showering your love and support on my videos. It will motivate me to make more videos for you and I'm there to help you all. So any queries, anything you have, please do message me and I always reply to all of you. I know I'm busy but still I message all of you. So please stay tuned with my video and please like, share, subscribe to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about the latest news about Jet Airways. Jet Airways कितने destinations fly करने वाली है और Jet Airways का कितना कैसा route रहेगा क्या and the interview process of Jet Airways. So let's get started. So first of all, the new owners of Jet Airways, I hope you all know, are Calroc Capital and Murarilal Jalan. It wanted to start its operation in April and May, but because of DGCA permission, NCLT and slots, it's delayed. Now the interview process will start from September. So guys, you have a lot of time. Please practice it. If you're weak in a particular subject, for suppose Hindi or English, if you're weak in Hindi, you can't speak Hindi, in front of people, please practice in front of mirror. You have friends, you have relatives, you have so many of them with you. So please try and talk a particular language with them. It will help you, trust me. And if you're weak in English or Hindi, please start reading newspaper every day. It will definitely help you. So now, as per the latest update which I have got, I am going to share with all of you. The Jet Airways will start its operation with only 25 aircraft as of now. And they're gonna start its international destination. They're gonna fly from regional city to international destination, and the international destination include Thailand, Singapore and Dubai. 3 international destination because it's gonna start its operation on 737 smaller aircraft and wide body bigger aircraft. 777 जो उनके पास पहले था, I am not too sure whether they're gonna start its operation on 777. But 737 and 330 definitely 100% they're gonna start its operation. और ये full service पहले भी था और अभी भी full service ही रहेगा. I know Jet Airways rocks and Jet Airways is number 1 airline in the world. आगे भी number 1 रहेगी. So I wish you all the best. Please prepare it. And the interview process quickly I'm gonna discuss with all of you because I'm getting a common comment that ma'am, please discuss what is the interview rounds and everything. So I thought of making discussing with all of you. So the interview process जो इतने सालों से 13 सालों से मैं देखती आ रही हूँ, इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस कैसा होता है उनका, वो मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ. प्लीज़ आप यही सोच के मत जाइएगा कि ऐसा ही इंटरव्यू राउंड्स रहेगा. 13 सालों में अभी न्यू ओनर्स आए हैं, कैलरॉक कैपिटल एंड मुरारीलाल जलान. सो आई एम नॉट टू श्योर, उनका मैनेजमेंट नया होगा, सब कुछ नया होगा, बट कैसा इंटरव्यू लेंगे वो मुझे आइडिया नहीं है. बट इतने सालों से होता हुआ है उनका इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस, सो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली वो ही रहे तो अच्छा है. तो आई एम गोना डिस्कस विथ ऑल ऑफ यू द इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस. सो फर्स्ट राउंड विल बी योर question answer as in your introduction round. They will tell you to reach sharp at 9 o'clock. The interview starts sharp at 9 o'clock. So please reach early, at least 1.5-2 hours early. Reaching early is very good. You can do your final touch, of makeup. You can revise it. You are familiar, with who all are there with you. So please go and reach early. My advice especially to you. So the first round, they will call you in the room where you need to submit your CV along with your photographs, and then they will call you 6 people in a room. They will start with the first round, which is introduction round. Introduction round, definitely they're gonna ask you about yourself, what you're doing at the moment, tell me about yourself, and anything they will ask from your resume. और एक चीज़ बताएंगे, पूछेंगे वो जो resume में नहीं है, जो आपने नहीं include की है, like your hobbies and everything, your strength and weaknesses and all. Once you clear this round, once they think you're fit, you're talking fluently first round, they will take you to the next round, which will be your height, weight and BMI. Now the BMI, make sure you go as per your BMI, which is 18 to 23, and your weight, height, please, बहुत time है आपके पास, please do something. If you're overweight, work on it. If you're underweight, please eat every day. सो यू मेक श्योर यू गो एज पर योर हाइट वेट. और सेकेंड राउंड में ही ग्रूमिंग राउंड रहेगा, वो आपका मेकअप, स्कार्स, टैटू सब कुछ मार्क्स चेक करेंगे. So please, if you have marks, you know, scars wars hai and you can hide it with concealer, please go ahead and do it. Please do not waste your money in any treatment. Doesn't make any sense, you know, after applying so much of after putting so much of money, and if you don't get selected in a particular airline, it doesn't make any sense. So please do not waste any your single money on any treatment. I just got few comments that ma'am, I have a scars and marks and also can I do a treatment? So please, my advice, do not waste any money. You can hide it with concealer, with a good concealer and foundation. Hide it properly, and definitely they're gonna just check your face, hands and all, legs and all. You can hide it, there is no issue. So the second round, if you clear, the third round will be a GD round. Now GD round is very, very important. In GD round, they will check your confidence level, whether you're confident, whether you're smiling, whether you're giving chance to other person, whether you believe in teamwork. Everything they will check. अब इतने सालों से इनका एक common GD round होता था that if your aircraft is crash landed, whom you will save first? Pregnant lady, mother with infant, old passenger, or a child who is 5 years old? So give answer, think and give your answer. Be confident. Please give chance to others, and do not be assertive, do not be firm, do not bang your hand on table. Keep it simple. Talk, please do not talk too much in GD round. Give chance to others. And the fourth round, if you are selected in GD round, anything they will ask. Fourth round is your final round with HR people. And in final round, again, anything they will ask you about Jet Airways, how many destination, new owners, so what you did during lockdown, anything they will ask you. So this is the interview process of Jet Airways. So guys, if any update I will get, I will definitely gonna share with all of you. And September, you have lot of time. Please practice it. Go for it. Any queries, please do message me. And I normally reply all of you. Even though I am busy, but still I reply all of you. So I wish you all the best. Any queries, please do message me. And till then, take care. Please take care of yourself. Keep yourself hydrated. And don't stress. Be happy and take care. Bye-bye. See you soon.